Hey everyone, Rich here from Earthwise Packaging, and today we're checking out our latest attachment for your CoolJarz SST Shrink Sleeve Machine, our Shrink Band Steam Head. Until now, you've only had two options for shrinking shrink bands. Old reliable, the heat gun, which can cause burns, distortion, and is a massive killer of time. Or you can drop some serious cash into a heat conveyor machine that can start at over $10,000 and breaks down regularly. CoolJarz now has our Shrink Band Steam Head. Simply detach your existing Shrink Sleeve Steam Head and attach the Shrink Band Steam Head with one simple screw. Turn on your SST Shrink Sleeve Machine, slide a shrink band over your product, and place the product inside the steam tunnel. It's as easy as that. About 1 to 2 seconds, and you have a perfectly shrink banded product, ready for customers, giving that visible tamper evidence. If you're new to CoolJarz and are looking for the next level of both branding and tamper evidence, consider our Shrink Sleeve system. Shrink sleeves provide 20% more branding real estate over sticker labels and have a built-in tamper evidence tear path for ease of consumer use. Our SST machines provide a quick procedure that can shrink up to 24,000 items per 8-hour shift. Both our SST shrink sleeve systems and custom shrink sleeves are available at CoolJarz in the link below and are 100% made in USA. Well, that's a look at our Shrink Band Steam Head for the CoolJarz SST Shrink Sleeve System. So what are you waiting for? Get shrinking. As always, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this one. Finally, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.